So today I'm making tea for my mom and dad. So first you need a cup and you need to pour some water in it. And then we pour it into the thing we're making the tea in. Then we turn on the gas. Now let's wait until it's boiling hot. Next, we're going to put some tea bags in it, but not yet because it's not hot enough. And now we put the tea bags in it. We're making 2 cups of tea, so we need 2 tea bags. So these are 2 tea bags, and you just plop. And now we wait again. And as you can see, some steam is coming out of it. So just to be safe, we on the fan. We wait until the tea bag puts all its flavor into the water. Next, we're going to put 1/2 spoon of ginger. And now we put 1/4 spoon of black pepper. And now we wait until it boils. We get some cardamom and clove. So we put 2 of cloves in it. And then we just squish them up. They don't need to be perfect. As you can see, mine aren't. Now we put 1 cup of milk in it. And then next, we put the squished cardamom and clove in. And now we wait. Let's put the milk bottle back in the fridge. And now, just to check if it's ready or not, we get a spoon and check the tea. If it's making bubbles, then it's ready to put something sweet in. Otherwise, we wait. So as you can see, it's not making bubbles yet. So you put the spoon. So as you can see, now in the tea, there's some bubbles. So I think it's ready, but it needs to have more bubbles, so we need to wait a bit more. So you see, our tea is ready. So now we have to put it in the mug. If you liked the method we make the tea with, then go make your own tea. Bye!